crazy, and that's why I'm confused. We can read each other, I am not used to being able to understand the people around usually aren't like I am, but she is, and it's messed with my head. I just want her close, not in my bed. There is a link, and it's scary and strange, and it is mutual. We're both deranged and on the same wavelength, and that's how I know I'm not a lover, but I'm more than a friend. I'm not like a brother, but something other again. And I hate that we triggered each other and we both fell down, and now we have to deal without the other around. And it hurts worse than ever before, because I know she exists and she's not there anymore. I'll take the pain, I'm used to it now, but it's not the why, but it is the how. The rumors of others, the whispered hushed tones. We could have worked it out if left alone, but no, we became entertainment for the bored, lonely old hags, clutching their pearls, reading gossip mags to pretend they don't know and offer sympathy, while in the background conducting the symphony, weaving the rumors, making things worse. The original witches spreading a curse, but what's done is done. But I won't forget, and I won't help, and I won't regret, because the creature unleashed is now on the prowl. So safe because her I'll protect. As for the others, I've not decided yet. And you come up to me as if nothing ever happened, but you don't understand that I'm close to snapping, because you never realize when lies at the core, only those within can destroy the Fantastic Four. And despite the threat you cause to loom, you're no Galactus, you ain't Dr. Doom. You're more like the Red Ghost, relying on your rapes, always coming close but never having what it takes. And you thought you had pulled the trigger and fixed everything, but made the problem bigger. And while it's not fully resolved, it's not a total waste. And I hope you got a better idea, but now you know your place. And your concern nearly cost me completely, and you reported it without trying to speak to me. And it was something that was private, and I am relieved that I survived it. And if you were worried about my mental state that even crossed your mind, it would have been a mistake. It also shows exactly what you think and your opinion of me, and how low you'll sink. In a way I should thank you, because it got her to talk for a longer time than a 5-minute walk. And yes, I still love her, it's not gone away, but I'll never hurt her. I shouldn't have to say, but that's too much credit that you didn't intend. What you seem to have wanted was for my everything to end. So this is for you, and I'll keep it clean. I look on red eyes and full self-esteem, but don't expect me to assist in anything again. Your opportunity's missed, and it seems like I can do most things well. So take my advice and just go to hell.